Sheena? What? What'd she say?
Don't say it. We're about halfway, however. We put a lot of stickers on the sidewalk, so now we have everybody with the bikes riding in the street. Have some people working on the house over here.
It's a boy. I'm gonna name it Jack.
And if it's a girl?
Lily. Yeah, you do kind of look like a girl.
That's a cute ladybug.
I guess you can't smile.